Hey guys, thank you for tuning in and watching this video. So basically I'm gonna make a video about my toolbox, and this is basically my toolbox. It's a Heritage 53 inch. I got it on Snap-on. I could show you the barcode or the serial number so you guys can get it if you guys want. So this is basically the toolbox of aircraft mechanic, and this is the serial number. It's a Snap-on Tools company. It's a red powder. You can see the serial number right here and everything. Just pause the video if you guys want to basically purchase it for yourselves as well. So what I do is, I fix aircrafts and stuff, and basically I'm gonna show you guys what I have inside and all the tools that I need so that I can do the job. So the Snap-on comes with your own personal lock key, and it's basically right there. And basically these are all my tools that I have. I know I have them kind of messed up, all messy and stuff, but yeah, this is basically all that I have. I have a rubber mallet, which is really good. It comes in handy when it comes to hammering stuff. I got all the deep sockets here. I got them all from it's 1/4, I mean 1/4. I don't know, let me see if I can zoom in. There you go. It's 1/4 deep socket. It's really good, it comes in handy. I got all the other some of them are Snap-on, some of them are just Craftsman and other stuff that I got. I got also a really cool flashlight that I can also use. The cool part about this one is that it actually extends, just in case if you drop something, you get to pick it up. It has a magnet in the front, so you just basically pick it up, and basically that's it. Just in case if you drop anything, that's pretty cool. That comes in handy. I also ended up getting more stuff from the Snap-on that I know I was going to use, like the duck bell for doing my safety wiring. I got this for my safety wiring. This one's pretty cool. I got scissors too, just in case if I need to cut stuff. I use some of these pencils and markers and some stuff so I can write on the chalk, so I can write on the material sometimes, depending on the material that they're made out of. I got this ratcheting. It's really freaking cool. I got this measuring tape. It's really cool. Goes all the way to 6 feet. Got some other stuff that I kind of use. I also use my safety glasses, my mirror that I use a lot. I use a hammer sometimes, not a lot. Got my other ones, my files, my 10x magnifying glass, which I use when I'm checking on the mirrors for broken edges or anything like that. Some more stuff. Right now, oh, these are my Allen wrenches. All my bits that I have. I think I have like 100 of them. I also have a punch hole tester. I mean punch to take out the rivet head, pin punch, and also have all my other flatheads and screwdrivers. I really like this one. This is my ratcheting screwdriver, really cool. I ended up also getting a big one for that. If you guys really want these, you guys should definitely you guys should definitely buy these, because these are definitely worth the price. I use this a lot as well. There's a lot of flatheads that are basically have a big size. I got this from Snap-on as well. It's really good. I sometimes like to go to this one for hard to reach places, or really tight places that I have to go into and do my work. I've got all my wrenches right here, as you can tell. Really cool stuff. Monkey wrench. It's really good. Goes all the way to more than an inch, or close to an inch, for sure more. And this is just made from China, but it goes all the way 1 inch, so sometimes it comes in handy when I'm, working on the wheels, on the wheel wells and stuff like that. I ended up getting more stuff, but for now, that's all I got. I would definitely will get more stuff, and all the other cabinets are empty. As you can see, comes with the owner's manual. I kind of haven't read it, but I think I should start pretty soon to read it. So all this is my other stuff. I'm gonna put it here. Empty. Empty. So the tires also come with a lock. All you have to do is just lock it with your foot. I think you just press down on it. See? Press down on it, and that's it. It doesn't move. And then release it. And then move. So yeah, this is my toolbox for aircraft mechanic. I can tell you this, that I definitely need more tools, and I will start buying more tools, and I'm gonna start making more videos on the tools that I buy on my Snap-on toolbox for my add-ons. And I guess that's it. Thank you guys for watching.